Go.
Alright, we are going to make the buttercream frosting first. And let's see. One tablespoon butter.
A little trick, Rye.
What?
If you rinse the tablespoon underwater before you do that, it'll slide right out. Uh-oh, there's a knife. To the sink, my friend.
Do you have good towels?
Let's pause. Oh, we pause. Yep.
Alright, this is the powdered sugar to add to the softened butter. Put down in the mixing bowl.
You might talk a tiny bit louder, honey. I don't know if they can hear you.
There's 1 cup. Teaspoon of vanilla. Where's the vanilla?
In the cupboard above you, where the measuring spoons
This
were.
one?
Or measuring cups, yeah. You see it? Comes out pretty fast.
There's a teaspoon of vanilla. Then add milk by the teaspoonful until spreadable.
Ryan, you need the beater out of the drawer to the right of the oven. It's a half a turn either right or left to make sure it's on. Oops, sorry. Did you pull on it to make sure it's on?
What do you think I should put it on? It doesn't say like high.
Start with the setting 1 so you're not blowing powdered sugar everywhere. And once that's creamed it together, go ahead and turn it on higher speed because you're making froth, icing. Okay, put it on a higher speed now, honey.
What?
I would turn up the speed on the mixer. Lock it.
Okay.
Does it seem like it's becoming of icing consistency? That's when you need to decide if you need to add more milk or not. If it still feels pretty stiff when you're scraping it or using the spatula for it, then I'd add a little bit more milk.
That's good.
Okay. If you think it's a good consistency, then don't add any more. The milk container's kind of in the way. Uh-oh, we came unplugged. Okay. Sorry if I mess up the video for a minute plugging that in.
What can we put this in?
What, honey?
Can we put this in like...
Yeah, there should be the small glass bowl up on top. Or if there's one of the ceramic bowls, yeah, it ought to hold in there, don't you think? I would untwist your spatula, your beater, and take it out of the way. Oh, or that. Maybe move your milk, honey. Put the lid on and put it in the fridge so we can see what you're doing. Or that.
We might need it.
Oh, vanilla all over the place. Gotta put the lids on, babe. Please. Here. Should we pause? I don't know how to pause this thing.
It doesn't pause.
Spilled all down the side of the counter. Probably it's on the floor. Honey, do the best you can for now, and we can get the rest in a minute. I like to close things up when I'm done using them so that that kind of thing doesn't happen. could be your brother.
It is.
I think I just can't like leave the dining room here. Hello? Alright, see you. Love you.
Alright, the video on my iPad ran out of storage, so and it didn't get this, but I added the, let's see, I put the butter in the mixing bowl, the, half cup of butter, and then mixed that for 2 minutes, and then added the sugar, and mixed that for another 3 minutes, so that is where we are. Now, we're going to add the flour.
There's the whole other container of flour.
I think we're good. Alright, I added this in the mixing bowl first, so I'm trying to get most of it out so we can put it in the strainer. Alright, so we got most of that back out, and then
You're gonna want to hold the sifter right over.
so we got a baking powder. We need 1 3/4 teaspoons of this. So